This is our mold and this is our mat. This is what we need for the first stage. Remember, this mold can come in many shapes. You have the small ones and other shapes. When you get to the market, you see many shapes of mold, and that's what determines the shape of our fascinator. So for this practical, I'll be using this to for the molding. First of all, measure out the mat that you'll be using for the molding. Measure it out by placing your mold on it. Measure it out, then you cut it out. So after cutting it out, make this thing double. I like making it double in order for it to be thick. Make it double. That means you cut out exactly this again before molding. Later you tie your mold with a nylon, then you rub. As you can see, I'm using groundnut oil. You rub your oil around the mold. Remember, this is the shape we want to achieve. If we want a flat shape, we will use this shape. But this is the shape, a kind of heart shape. That's what we want to achieve for our fascinator. So rub your oil around the mold. So after you must have rubbed your oil around your mold, you place your mat. You place your mat on it. As you place it, make sure it's not rumpled anywhere. Before you pin, you start attaching your pin. Remember, this mat, you have to soak it in water before using it on your mold. Use pin to hold it. So this is how you pin it. This is our stiffener. It's like pap, like it's not too watery and it's not solid. So this is our stiffener that we use to stiffen this. Add small of it inside the okay. Add small of it inside your plate. Add small water also. Don't make it too watery. So you mix it. After mixing it, you start rubbing it on the body of the fascinator you are molding. Turn it on and rub little of it around here. So when you are done, you place it under the sun for it to dry, or if you have hand dryer, you can also use a hand dryer to dry it. So at this stage you place it under the sun for it to dry.